Okay, recording na. So, good afternoon, everyone. So, welcome to our week 4 or the last week for our midterm coverage topic. So, probably our midterm schedule at exam would be spent this Friday ang ito ang schedule sa midterm exam. So, before that, so let's have first a recap from last week na discussion. So, we discussed about the human flourishing in the science and technology. So, nakita niyo ang PowerPoint?
Loading pa, sir.
Loading pa, sige, wait.
Okay na, sir.
Ana?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chapter 4. So, that was our first topic. So, drama start na to ang coverage for the midterm exam this Friday. So, where is Roy Acosta? Na si Roy? Roy, please turn on your audio.
Hello, sir. Hello,
Na si
sir.
Roy Acosta?
Hello, sir.
Hello, hi Roy. So, can you please
Hello.
have some recap about this human flourishing in the science and technology? In the science.
Ano, sir?
Have some recap about sa kanina topic. Kasi ma-remember about kanina discussion kung yatag na ako sa inyo na recorded video about sa human flourishing in the science and technology.
So, isa na nitatak sa ko, sir, is katong duha ka thinking, which is katong duha ka thinking, sir.
Oh, so kung duha ka
Which
thinking,
is the
ingon sa duha ka thinking. It was?
Si Heidegger.
Oh, very good. So, Martin Heidegger. So, saan kiingon ani ni Martin Heidegger?
So, there are two types of sir, thinking, which is the calculative and meditative. So, when we say calculative is, so, di ba, tungod sa technology, sir, is pwede na makontrol sa tao ang system, even ang ato ang ecosystem. And
Yes.
but while ang meditative is kanang na maghulat ta sa nature na kanang sila good ang mag-occur, sir, so dili ta mag-manipulate sa ecosystem or sa unsa pay mga natural occurrences.
Yes. So, thank you, Roy. So, napay additional?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. How about Mr. Kim Harvey, Barbarona? Na si Kim Harvey? No. Nawala si Barbarona. Okay, next ta kay Bernal. Atro joining na si Bernal. Wala pa daw. Hi, Bernal. Ano si Mary Van Grace? Bernal. Where is Bernal? Okay, next is proceed. Balikan na natin niya. Bornia. Wala si Bornia. Kabuslay. Lucy. Wala si Bornia. Lucy. Present si Lucy. Abigail Kama.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Abigail. So can you please give us some recap about this first topic sa atong midterm sa human flourishing in the science technology. So what do you remember about this topic?
About sa SDG, sir.
About sa? Ano ba ni SDGs chapter 4? So, kani siya sa human flourishing as reflected in the progress and development. So, saan siya pasabot sa SDG?
Sustainable.
Sustainable. What is this SDG? Okay, next ata, balikan na nato ang Daras. Jonaline Casañares.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Hi, Jonaline. Good afternoon too. So can you please state to me what is this SDG?
Sustainable Development Goal, sir.
The Sustainable Development Goals. So what is this SDG?
Sir,
What is this SDG?
so, aning SDG, sir, kay is kanang created siya sa United Nations. Tapos, ang iyahang main, iyahang main kanang goal ganit niya, sir, is para ma-eradicate ang poverty, sir.
Yes, that is the main objective of the Sustainable Development Goals, so to eradicate the poverty. So siya po ang number 1 nga goal, di ba, which is the no poverty. Okay, what else? Okay, thank you, Jonaline. Archie Cubos. Archie.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Archie. So can you please elaborate more about this human flourishing in the progress and reflected in the progress and development?
Okay, sir. Regarding aning topic, sir, kay so ang Sustainable Development Goals nila is lang objective is to eradicate poverty by 2030.
Yes.
And they have also kanang hello, sir.
Yeah,
Madungo
hello.
kayo.
I'm listening.
Okay. They have also stated, sir, sa article na ang mga ways how to prevent ang mga poverty ng mga countries and how are they going to help them in a way na para matabangan gud sila, sir.
So what are those example na countries na they experience poverty?
Siguro sir kay mga country ba kana bitong sa mga Europe country like sa mga Asian usually
Yun lang.
yes sir, like
for example, what country?
like siguro sir sa Africa.
Africa.
Hmm.
Yun lang sa Africa.
Like sa Ghana.
Sa Ghana. That is also another country from Africa.
Yes sir.
Okay. Do you have additional?
No sir.
Okay na. Okay, thank you. Okay, next, Judy Ann Dalagite. Is Judy Ann present? Hello, Judy Ann.
Ay, wala pa. Yes, sir.
Hi, hello. Can you please elaborate more about this human flourishing as reflected by in the progress and development?
So, human flourishing in science, technology, kanang so right now mas ginagamit nato ang technology, but we always put in our mind na dapat gyapon nato i-care ang nature.
Yes. So why do we need to care our nature?
Because these are kanang provider po siya, sir, sa atong needs. Kini atong shelter, foods, and others, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, last.
Welcome, sir.
Is Maria Erica Dalagite.
Yes, sir.
Let us answer your assignment. So your question is, what is the main objective? Nasa naman ni siya ganina lang ni Jonaline.
Yes,
the
sir.
standardized unit that measures the resource use and waste. So what is your answer in this assignment?
Pwede pakiusap, sir?
What is Sa next to assignment.
Okay.
What is the standardized unit that measures resource use and the waste?
So we have here the 1.8 global hectares of standard unit which measures enough each one of us. I based from the selection I've read.
So how many global hectare?
1.8, sir.
1.8 global hectares. So from what country na siya gikan? Ay na measure?
Wait lang, sir, ha?
In what America, country from the America?
Country from America.
Yes, country sa North America. Define the answer. It starts with the letter C. Nakita na Maria Erica?
Cuba, sir, Cuba.
Cuba. Okay, very good. That is Cuba. So correct. Next question, number 3. What is the standard response to eradicating the poverty? Miss Riani Dao. Present, sir, Miss Riani.
Yes, sir.
Siya around Dao. Okay, next, let's proceed to IC, Divina Gracia. Is IC around?
Hello, sir.
Hello,
Sir.
IC. So, question is what?
Sir.
What is your standard? What is the standard response to eradicating poverty?
So, the standards to eradicate poverty, according to orthodox economists, is that we need to have more growth, sir.
We need to have more
Growth.
growth. So why do we need to have growth?
Ano, sir? Ang orthodox economists is they insist that we need more growth, but more as we can see, sir, na growth naman ta too much. So maybe there are some ways or strategy that we need to implement na dili lang growth ang kanabang ato ang strategy para ma-eradicate nato ang poverty.
Yes. So ano yung na-mention ni Jason Heckel about sa growth natin ngayon?
No, sir?
What is...
Jake.
Okay, Jason Heckel. Ano yung na-observe niya according to our growth?
So according to Jason Heckel, sir, is na-share ano din na forget developing poor countries, it's time to develop rich countries.
Yes, so that was mentioned according to his article. Okay, thank you, IC.
Yes, sir.
Next, number
Thank you,
4.
sir.
Question. So what is the threshold of the earth for adequately sustaining life? Okay, the one who would answer is Michelle Dumanag.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes?
Number 4, sir.
Number 4.
What is the threshold? Based on what I've understand about the question, sir, kanang unsa daw ang ends the earth, sir, for our kanang adequate good na pag-sustain nato, sir, kanang sige gamit. So according to as a module, sir, is kanang wala na nato gina take care good ang ato ang natural resources, sir. Sige lang ta gamit as they say here, kanang sige ra ta growth pero wala taga balik good og ano, sir, sa ila. So answers.
So what do you think is the threshold now sa tuang earth? Makasustain pa bagapon siya sa tuang daily living?
Dili na, sir, og magpadayon pa ta og kanang pahimulos good, sir, sa kuan paggamit. Wala na jud tay gamiton in few years from now kung wala taga innovate og other things para kuan pa siya sir kana magdugay pagod.
Yes, di ba? For example, as what we are experiencing right now sa COVID-19, di ba? So it's not truly man-made na tinuyuan din siya sa tao. So it is happening through time or sa nature na nag-evolve na dyan po siya ang ato ang sitwasyon karon. Sa una is dili ni siya normal, ato ang online class. So nag-experience na taan